Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back here with another day in my life, and today was a really fun day because not only was the weather beautiful out after we had kind of had a streak of some not so great weather, but also it was just really nice to get out and be with one of my friends, Betsy. I love Betsy. Hopefully you'll be seeing more of Betsy down the line because she's an incredible singer and I really want to make music with her. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It not only supports my channel and makes me feel great, but it also helps to grow our community. So with that being said, let's hop right in. So near the top of the day, of course, gotta fill up my diffuser. And on this day, I decided I wanted something like light and bright and piercing, so I went with peppermint. I do realize that light and piercing are like opposite words, but just roll with it. And then it was time to do my hair. I go for this hairstyle if either my hair is kind of on the dirtier side and I didn't have time to wash it, or if I'm working out, or I just need my hair to stay put. Today I used this Argan and Moroccan Oil dry shampoo from OGX, and I love the way this stuff smells and it feels great, and it really is great for the days where I don't have time to wash my hair. So I sprayed it on my roots, and then I took my brush and brushed the top of my hair just to kind of evenly distribute what I had just sprayed on. Then I parted my hair down the center, and then I pulled part of my hair to the side to just stay out of the way while I braided the other half of my hair. Now, I didn't do the greatest job on my braids today, but I kind of don't really care when my braids are messy because I actually think it's kind of cute. So the way that I do this braid is it's just like a regular French braid where you braid forward normally, but then each crossover you grab some more hair. Except with this kind of braid, which I believe is called a Dutch braid, you pull the braids under instead of over. So rather than braiding on top, does that make sense? Pulling the hair over, you're pulling the hair under. I feel like especially with my hair, which has so much more dimension in it now, but just dark hair in general, I feel like it can kind of lose the dimension of the braid. But by turning that braid inside out to make a Dutch braid, I feel like it's so much more visible, and I just really like the look. And then when I'm done, I like to pancake the braid, which is just kind of making it look fuller by pulling it apart. Then, of course, gotta make your bed. There's actually this Navy SEAL that wrote a book. I haven't read it, so I'm a poser, but I just thought the title was fascinating enough, called something like, "If you want to change the world, start by making your bed." And I'm sure you can guess the psychology behind that if you can just get a start on something small in your life, it gives you that confidence boost for the rest of your day and can really help change your mood and the trajectory of your day. Another thing that can really help the mood is sunshine. So of course it was sunny this day, so I had to open the windows, and then I decided I wanted to turn on my other diffuser as well. In this one, I decided to diffuse some tea tree. This is actually Dan's favorite oil for me to diffuse. Oh, these fans, I got them on sale for like $30, maybe like 2-ish years ago. And I love them. I love the sweet floral pattern on the side. I think they're so cute. Bowser loves them too. So I thought I would show you a good old classic OOTD. Yes, posted my bell-bottom overall. I recently got these. They're from Free People. I feel like they look like they were made for me. If you're interested in these, by the way, they're actually on sale right now. So I'm going to go ahead and link those down below because this is one of those few times where like, I just got them. I can link them for you and they're on sale. Yeah, I love them. And then I just wore a long sleeve shirt underneath because it was still kind of cold, even though it was sunny out. By the way, I brought this drink with me. This is a CBD drink in the flavor Blood Rose from GTS. Warning though, I love this drink, but I didn't realize it had caffeine in it, like a good amount of caffeine. So don't drink this drink at night or you will be up late if you're caffeine sensitive like me. So when I got to Betsy's house, she was wrapping up a phone call with a childhood friend. So of course I made myself at home and got some beauty shots for this video. Look at these save the dates for her and her adorable fiance, Aaron. They're getting married in like a month. I'm so excited for her. Betsy, if you're watching this, I'm so excited for you. So Betsy is quite the little cook and quite the baker, and she cooked us up some cinnamon rolls and topped them with the frosting, which my mouth is watering watching her. And then she also made us some eggs with spinach. And then of course, she had to add the everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Who doesn't love that stuff? Now, honestly, watching Betsy make tea was so relaxing. I thought I would just share it with you. You're welcome. And then we just sat down to catch up on life. We had so much to catch up on. We haven't seen each other in a couple of months. And she's about to get married, which is so crazy. So obviously we had a lot to chat about. Side note, she gave a very strong recommendation for this melatonin, which melatonin is a natural sleep aid, if you don't know about it. And she said it works really well. So if you're looking for something to help you with your sleep, then you should check this out. Yeah. Then we decided to make our way to our living room because Betsy has a real piano. I was so excited. I want a real piano one day. And so whenever I get to sit down at one, I get like excited. I get kind of nervous because they're way louder than my digital piano. But it's so cool to hear the sounds of the piano fill the room. By the way, she actually got this piano for free. I don't really want to give this life hack out because I don't want everyone else to swoop up all the free pianos. But she said that it's actually pretty common for people to be giving away pianos on like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And then I thought I'd show you her guitar case because look at how cool that is. This guitar has traveled the world. So later that day for dinner, we're going to call it dinner because I had brunch with Betsy. We ate at like 12:30. I decided I wanted to make a Mexican inspired bowl of sorts. So I started off by making my guacamole. So I just scooped out all of the flesh from the avocado. Then, of course, I had to add heaps of lemon juice, just so much. People who eat our food, by the way, frequently tell us that we put way too much citrus in things. I just want to throw that out there that I'm aware of that I put a lot of lemon juice and stuff. I don't know, kind of just wanted to let you know that I am aware of that. So then I de-seeded and chopped up my green jalapenos. Next up, I diced up some white sweet onions. And once those were diced up, I threw them into the bowl. And then I took my rinsed cilantro. Does everyone take note of the fact that I rinsed my cilantro? And then I chopped it up and threw that into the mix as well. So since I was already chopping veggies, I figured I would chop up this yellow bell pepper that I wanted to use before it went bad. You might have seen me haul this in my last grocery haul, so I decided I wanted to chop it up to saute for the bowl as well. Then I took some organic cumin and I threw that into the mix with the guacamole, some salt and pepper, and then I forgot to get this on camera, but I'm pretty sure I added some Greek yogurt as well. Then it was time to stir fry my yellow bell peppers. So I just cooked them in a pan with some avocado oil. And then while those were cooking, I chopped up some cherry tomatoes for my bowl as well. I didn't get every single step, but there is actually rice at the bottom of this bowl, the bell peppers, the cherry tomatoes, some jarred salsa I had on hand, and my guacamole. And then, oh my gosh, I also added this Siete hot sauce. I have never really been a hot sauce person, but their hot sauce is so good. And then I made my way outside because Dan kept commenting on how the grass has flowers and the weather was so beautiful. So I made my way outside and thought I'd share it with you guys. So that's about it for this video. If you missed it, yesterday I uploaded my March Essential Rewards unboxing, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically like a essential oils, health, body, household, wellness products. And I upload those every month, just unboxing and sharing what I got. And don't forget, if you like these day in my life videos, I have been uploading a ton of them lately. So you can head over to my channel, check them out. Oh, and if you've made it this far in the video, be sure to check my info box because I have been doing what I lovingly call semi-secret / not so secret giveaways for people that actually check my info boxes and wait till the end of videos. I just want to say thank you. So check that out. I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. All right. Bye guys.